Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tay, Tamia, whatever you want to call me, and I'm back with another video. We all know the end of August, summer is ending, school is starting. I do want to give you guys some advice for my high schoolers because I have graduated already. I've graduated 2 years ago. A year to whatever. I graduated already. As we can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys everything that you need in your back to school emergency kit. Now, mine that I have here, it's a little bit small. I would definitely recommend getting one a bit bigger, but still one that's gonna fit in your backpack and not take up too much space, because we need space for binders, textbooks. It's high school, you guys. I guess you can choose whatever size you want depending on what things you choose you're gonna bring in your emergency kit. So if you're not gonna bring everything that I would advise you to, I guess this one's okay. But if you want to bring everything that I mentioned in this video, I would definitely say get one a little bit bigger than this. Before we get into the video, you guys already know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so that whenever I post, you guys get notified. But anyways, let's just get into the video because I feel like I'm doing way too much talking. So the first thing that I have in my kit is very important because we all know going back to school, you're transitioning from summer to fall. So it's still hot either way. If it's not even hot, bring deodorant. Whether you have gym class or you're just outside coming to school from walking, you're gonna smell. Trust Tay, you're going to need it. Avoid the trouble and just bring your deodorant because I promise you guys it will help. And put it on before you go. Okay. Now, I feel like this is one of the most important things for me, at least, because I know I couldn't go the day without it. Headphones. This is a need when you're going to school because you want to tune out whatever you want to tune out, whether you're walking to school, walking home, or you're at lunch, or just in your classes and you're working on whatever. Bring your headphones because you're gonna want to listen to music, you're going to want to watch a video. You can just pop them in. Please don't comment. I know I have headphones, not AirPods. I need my wires. So if there's anything that you make sure that you have in your emergency kit, make it be headphones. Now, the next item that I have is just as important as the one I just showed. There's a lot of things going around right now and you never know, so you just want to be safe. Keep your hand sanitizer with you at all times. Whether you're gonna go eat lunch or you're coming back from lunch or gym or whatever, you touch the floor, you touch all these balls and things that other people have touched, you know, you want to have some nice hand sanitizer with you. This one is from Bath and Body Works. Honestly, it doesn't matter where it's from as long as you have some hand sanitizer, but the ones from Bath and Body Works are pretty cute. I feel like this is very, 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 very important today. COVID is going around, monkeypox. Just keep clean and, you know, you'll avoid it as much as you can. Do your best. Now, this right here, tampons, pads, whatever you guys use, it is so important to keep it with you because I have been there where I started my period at school and I don't have anything. And especially when it's like the start of the day, it's the worst because you're gonna be using tissues in your underwear all day and that is not comfortable. It's not the cleanest. And it's just not what you want to do. So make sure that you keep these with you, tampons, pads, panty liners, whatever, because it really does come in handy. It may not seem that important when you don't need it at the time, but then when you do need it, you'll be thanking yourself. You'll be thanking yourself and you'll be thanking me because who put you on? Even if you don't end up needing it, you can always give it to a friend because I've been that girl who has had to ask around, do you have a tampon, do you have a pad? So just bring it in case any of your friends need it or in case you need it. And next, what I have, kind of connecting to the deodorant, you want to bring some perfume. It doesn't matter which one you bring, just bring one because coming from gym class, you already know you're going to be sweating, you're playing whatever you're playing, and then you have to go to your next class, math, and just sit down there for how many hours and you smell like your gym class. So you don't want to be that girl. Bring your perfume, you'll smell nice and fresh. Honestly, sometimes that deodorant is not enough, so to mask that little stench that you have, spray some perfume. The next thing that I have is some lip gloss, but let me just use this. See guys, it's important to have it on you. You never know. Okay, continuing. 1 minute you're doing your work and then the next minute you're licking your lips because you're dry. They're dry. I have to mention, lip gloss does not always moisturize your lips depending on what lip gloss you're wearing. So I would say bring chapstick. Lip gloss does not always do it because it's not the most moisturizing depending on what lip gloss you're wearing. So I would always say to bring a chapstick with you, like to put it on under your lip gloss, or maybe if you just want the chapstick. Another thing that I do not have in this video with me is a lotion, cream, whatever you call it. It's important because sometimes you'll leave your house and you won't know it, but then you'll get to school and your elbow's ashy or your ankle's ashy, and it's embarrassing. It's honestly embarrassing. We've all been there. But if you have your kit, you'll have your lotion. So you always want to be prepared because you don't want people looking at you and thinking that you're ashy or just remembering you for your ash. You want to be remembered for better things. So bring your lotion. Now next, this goes hand in hand with your headphones, is a charger. I never had a charger and my phone was always dying in school, so I feel like Tay needed this advice when she was in high school, but I'm gonna be the one to give it to you now before it's too late. So bring your charger, because a lot of people, I feel like, don't bring their chargers. Especially like nowadays, everything is like electronic in school. So if you don't have a laptop and you're using your phone, maybe even to write things down or to watch videos that your teacher assigned you, if your phone's dead, how are you gonna do it? Bring your charger. The next thing that I have for you guys, I should have shown you when I showed the pads because it goes hand in hand. I think you can already hear it. Advil. I have the worst periods. I'm not gonna say known to mankind, but I have the worst periods. Like, they're so bad. If I just brought an Advil to school when I really needed it, I could have saved myself so much trouble. So please do not be me and just bring Advil. The same way I've had to ask for tampons and pads, I've had to beg some people for Advil because my periods just got so bad. I guess this doesn't only relate to like periods or whatever, because if you get like headaches or stomach aches or whatever is wrong with you, bring Advil, because you don't want to be in pain in school. You already don't want to be in school, so having cramps while you're in school just makes it makes school a lot worse. The next thing I would say to bring, I didn't see this in other people's videos, but snacks. This is a big old Doritos bag, but just pretend it's a little one. AirPods, whatever snacks you guys like, bring it with you. Whether you're just hungry or you're not feeling good and you need a little bit something to eat, or you forget lunch, you'll always have like a backup in your emergency kit, because Lord, the amount of times that I went to school and I just didn't bring lunch and I'm hungry watching everybody eat, it's not fun. There's nothing funny about it. So I've said this so many times, but save yourself the trouble and just bring it from the jump. Another thing that goes hand in hand with the lunch is money. At my school, I know that there was a lot of restaurants like outside of the school, like walking distance. So we all just walked to the restaurants around the school that were close because it was easy. Like, bring like $5–10 and you can get a little pizza. You can get whatever is around your school and you'll be good for the day. Like, it's school, like you never know. Bring money. And I feel like this is annoying, me not having things that I'm telling you, but tissues, wipes, all those of the sort, bring them. I have a sneezing problem because every class, like everybody knew, like Tamia's gonna sneeze, Tay's gonna sneeze, like, and I never had a tissue. Like, it's always bathroom, class, bathroom, back to class, bathroom, back to class. So don't be like me, bring your tissue. So I don't know if you can tell, but this is the next day. I just had to come back in, pop back in, because I forgot to say something that is very important and I had to include it in the video. So I came back to let you guys know, bring gum to school in your emergency kit. Gum is like one of the most important things. I know a lot of schools, they don't let you chew gum, but honestly, you need it. But honestly, if you're just coming back from lunch or something and you just want to pop it in your mouth, maybe you won't get caught. I don't know. Don't tell them Tamia told you this, but chew gum. Or even if you have classmates and their breath, if they need a little bit of help, like you might just catch yourself like and your breath smells bad. So you never know, bring your gum. The last thing that I forgot to add was underwear. Underwear is just important to have because, like I said, if you're starting your period, you never knew you have a dirty underwear and you're gonna be at school all day. So if you just have your extra pair of underwear, you won't even have that problem because you can just swap it out and do whatever you do to the old one. Everything that I'm talking about, I've experienced almost everything. Like, I've needed every one of these things, and I never brought a back to school emergency kit with me. So I'm saving you guys the hassle, the problems. If you just do this from the start, especially freshmen, you guys always want to be prepared because you never know. You never know. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, don't forget, and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post. Like I said in the beginning, all my social medias, everything will be in the description box below. So make sure you go follow me, add me on whatever, and I will see you guys in the next video.